Did you know your smart TV can actually listen to your conversations, even when it's off? Smart TVs have become an essential part of our entertainment systems, but I bet many of you are unaware of the hidden features they possess. Today, we're going to uncover some game-changing features that will take your smart TV experience to the next level. The truth is, smart TVs are constantly evolving, and manufacturers are embedding more functionalities than people realize. It's easy to get caught up in the basic features, but there's so much more to explore. 1. Introduction: your smart TV is smarter than you think. Modern smart TVs have evolved far beyond simple screens for watching content. Whether you're using a model powered by Android TV, LG WebOS, or Samsung Tizen, chances are you're only scratching the surface of what your television can actually do. Hidden beneath menus and tucked into settings are powerful features that can transform your viewing experience, boost performance, and even make your TV a central hub for your digital life. We're going to dive into advanced picture settings, smart home integration, and some obscure apps that can enhance your viewing experience. For instance, did you know that some smart TVs have advanced calibration settings that can optimize picture quality based on your room's lighting? Some smart TVs also come with voice control customization, allowing you to personalize voice commands to suit your preferences. You can even use screen mirroring hacks to stream content from your phone or tablet to your TV. And, if you're experiencing issues with your TV, built-in diagnostic tools can help you troubleshoot problems quickly. These hidden features can significantly elevate your viewing experience compared to just basic TV usage. With these features, you can unlock a world of possibilities and make the most out of your smart TV. This article dives deep into those lesser-known capabilities, features that manufacturers rarely advertise but that can dramatically improve how you use your smart TV. 2. Secret picture calibration modes. Most users stick to default picture settings like standard or vivid, but your TV likely includes hidden or advanced modes such as filmmaker mode or ISF imaging science foundation calibration settings. These modes are designed to present content exactly as creators intended, removing artificial sharpening, motion smoothing, and oversaturated colors. Digging into advanced settings often reveals white balance tuning, gamma adjustments, and color management systems that can rival professional calibration tools. For movie lovers, enabling these hidden settings can turn your living room into a true home theater. 3. Developer mode and advanced system controls. Just like smartphones, many smart TVs have a hidden developer mode. On platforms like Android TV, you can unlock it by repeatedly clicking the build number and settings. Once activated, you gain access to debugging tools, background process limits, GPU rendering options, app side loading capabilities. This is especially useful for tech enthusiasts who want to install apps not available in the official store or optimize performance beyond default limits. 4. Hidden voice commands you've never tried. While most people use voice assistants for basic tasks like opening apps, your TV's assistant, whether powered by Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, can do far more. Try commands like: show me movies with IMDb rating above 8. Switch to game mode. Open picture settings. Dim the lights if connected to smart home devices. These deeper commands can save time and make navigation far more intuitive. 5. Secret screen mirroring tricks. Most users know about basic casting, but advanced screen mirroring features often go unnoticed. TVs with Google Chromecast built-in allow you to cast entire tabs from your laptop, mirror apps, or even stream local files seamlessly. Similarly, Apple AirPlay support lets you mirror not just videos but presentations, games, and even fitness apps. Some TVs even allow multi-view, displaying your phone and TV content side by side. 6. Hidden gaming features even if you're not a gamer. Your smart TV may secretly be a gaming powerhouse. Features like Auto Low Latency Mode, Variable Refresh Rate VRR, Game Motion Plus on some TVs. These reduce input lag and improve responsiveness, even for casual users. Additionally, many modern TVs support cloud gaming services, letting you play AAA titles without a console using just a controller and internet connection. 7. Built-in diagnostics and self-healing tools. Buried in settings menus are diagnostic tools that can test internet connectivity, check display issues, clear cache and unused apps, optimize memory usage, On platforms like Samsung Tizen and LG WebOS, these tools can even recommend fixes automatically, saving you from unnecessary service calls. 8. Secret accessibility features that everyone should use. Accessibility features aren't just for those who need them, they can improve usability for everyone. Hidden options include customizable subtitles, font, size, and background, high contrast modes for better visibility, audio descriptions for immersive storytelling, screen zoom for reading small text. These settings can dramatically enhance comfort during long viewing sessions. 9. Energy-saving modes that actually matter. Many users ignore energy-saving settings, assuming they reduce quality. However, modern eco modes are surprisingly intelligent. Features include ambient light sensors that adjust brightness automatically, power usage dashboards, auto standby timers. These can reduce electricity consumption without noticeably affecting picture quality. 10. Hidden app management and storage tricks. Running out of storage? Your TV likely has hidden tools to manage it efficiently. Advanced options allow you to clear app cache individually, move apps to external USB storage, force stop background apps, reclaim hidden system storage. This can significantly speed up older TVs. 11. Secret ambient and art modes. Some smart TVs double as digital art displays. For example, Samsung TVs offer ambient mode, turning your screen into a canvas for artwork, weather updates, or personal photos. Instead of a black screen, your TV becomes part of your room's decor, blending seamlessly into your environment. 12. Hidden privacy and security settings. Smart TVs collect data to improve recommendations, but you can control this. Look for hidden settings too. Disable ACR automatic content recognition. Turn off voice recording storage. Limit ad tracking. Manage app permissions. Taking a few minutes to adjust these can significantly improve your privacy. 13. Multi-device control and smart home integration. Your TV can act as a smart home hub. With Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa integration, you can control lights, thermostats, security cameras, smart plugs, all from your TV screen, no phone required. 14. Conclusion: unlock the full power of your TV. Your smart TV is packed with features that most users never explore. From hidden developer tools and advanced picture settings to smart home control and privacy tweaks, these capabilities can completely transform your experience. Instead of upgrading your TV, you might just need to explore it more deeply. Spend some time navigating settings, experimenting with features, and unlocking the true potential of the powerful device sitting in your living room. I recall a time when I discovered a built-in streaming app on my smart TV that I never knew existed. It gave me access to a ton of free movies and shows, and it completely changed my TV watching routine. Exploring these hidden features can be a game changer for your smart TV experience. So, I encourage you to experiment with your own smart TV to unlock its full potential. If you're interested in learning more smart TV tips, be sure to check out our next video on optimizing your TV's sound settings. Or, share your own hidden smart TV discoveries in the comments below. We'd love to hear about them.